You won't believe what happens if you place a small amount of Vicks VapoRub on a candle. When I first discovered this idea, it completely amazed me, and honestly, it has changed my daily routine. First, prepare 3 regular candles. Place them carefully in a saucepan and melt them slowly over low heat. While they are melting, let me know in the comments which city you are watching from, because I'm curious to see how many different places are represented here. Once the candles are fully melted, remove the wicks, but don't throw them away. Keep them aside because we'll bring them back later and you'll quickly understand their importance. When everything is mixed, turn off the heat and prepare 2 small glass containers. It is essential that they are glass because the mixture is still quite hot and plastic would not withstand the heat. Pour the mixture evenly into both containers. But the process is far from finished because here comes the exciting twist. Into the first container, sprinkle in cloves. There's no exact rule for the amount, just add as much as feels right to you. I'd love to know how you'd rate this tip from 0 to 10. In the second container, break cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces and drop them in. Cinnamon has fascinating natural qualities, and in combination with this blend it becomes something really extraordinary. Do you remember those wicks we saved? Take each one, attach it to a clothespin, and carefully position it in the center of both containers. This step ensures the candle will burn evenly and properly. Leave the candles to rest until the wax hardens. It doesn't take very long, but the waiting is absolutely worth it. Do you have a similar trick you've tried at home? Share it in the comments so others can learn from you as well. After a short while, your candles will look beautiful and smell incredible. Once the wax is solid, remove the clothespins and trim the wicks so they are the correct length. Now comes the moment of truth. Light the candles and experience what they can do. They don't just fill the room with an extraordinary aroma, they also offer real health benefits. These candles are excellent for easing breathing, calming nasal passages, and helping the body relax. Lighting one before bed can promote deeper sleep so that you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. But there is an added bonus. Thanks to the cloves, these candles naturally repel mosquitoes and other small insects. The cloves release compounds that act as a gentle insect repellent, while the cinnamon creates a cozy and comforting atmosphere in your home. If you live in an area where bugs are a problem, this simple candle can be a real lifesaver. Try it for yourself and see how effective it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family because they'll be grateful for the tip. See you again in the next video.